Hey, so thanks for the question. So I'm going to show you how you can create a video generation workflow. You go into the template and then you just scroll down into here, you search for video, and then you will see these videos through the emoji. So what this workflow is doing is that it will take the user input from emoji, click length, and also it's going to write a story, write a title, image, and render the video and take a final output in here. So what you can do is that you can clone to add this workflow and say copy, and then you just create this one. So the workflow is going to be copied to your workspace. So after the workflow have been created, then you can see what is inside, what is it does. So it writes story with some sort of prompt, and also what is most important is this create video from topic. So this workflow is going to take the input from the script that you already written above, and then it will try to generate the video out of it. So there will be some convention that you can describe, for example, like this is the scene, and also this is the text or the voice that is going to use. And we have some different like text to voice that you can choose from here. Is like Azure, OpenAI, and so on. You can even choosing some of the media type, either it's going to be stock video or moving AI image. So it's going to help you a bit on the create video. We are happy to have, if you need just an assistant to create this workflow, we are happy to support you further. Yeah, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.